Hello everybody, Seth Stewart here from Brookstone, and we're sorry we missed you last night at the Exchange Pub in New Albany, Indiana. I did want to reach out and share a brief overview of our presentation so that you could see how it may be beneficial to you, not only now, but in the future. Last night we were talking about taxes in particular and how it relates to your retirement income. Now, I don't know about you, but I feel like taxes are likely to increase in the future. And when we're talking about the future, we have to go back and kind of look at the past, because there's the old saying that says history often repeats itself. So let's go back in history and see where we've been. Historically speaking, we have seen federal marginal tax rates of 90+% for married couples filing jointly. Now, over the years, we've seen those tax rates fall. But at the same time, we've seen our national debt spiral wildly out of control. Something has to give, folks, and we feel pretty confident that taxes are likely to increase in the future. So how can you better position yourself against rising taxes? Well, prior to the coronavirus pandemic, we had approximately $24-25 trillion worth of national debt. Forbes estimated back in June of 2020 that as a result of the coronavirus pandemic, we could throw another $8 trillion on top of the already $24-25 trillion of debt that we have. So we get to the other side of this, we have 30+ trillion of national debt. Folks, again, something has to give. So what can you do to better position yourself or better protect yourself from rising taxes in the future? What's the lowest hanging fruit, and what would we see as the target of taxation when it comes to future tax rate increases? We've all kind of been brainwashed into this mentality of thinking that tax deferred is the way to go. Tax deferred being IRAs, 401ks, kicking the can of taxation down the road. I mean, think about it. What are we deferring? We're deferring the inevitable, which are taxes. Does that still make sense if taxes are likely to be higher in the future? What about things like Roth conversions? What about considering paying taxes now versus later? Here's the growth of 401k assets over the years. Folks, I see this as one of the largest and lowest hanging fruits of taxation when it comes to retirement. Now, we often talk about a puzzle, right? Think about a jigsaw puzzle. What's the most important piece to any jigsaw puzzle? Is it the outside edge? Is it the corner piece? Maybe it's the last piece. I like to say that the most important piece of a jigsaw puzzle is the picture on the box. Because imagine putting together a jigsaw puzzle without that ever so important picture on the box. Folks, that is exactly what we provide at Brookstone Financial. A comprehensive roadmap and a consolidated plan of how to structure your income in the most tax efficient means possible. And let me tell you something else. This does not have to be complicated. You know what the best retirement plan is? It's the one that you can understand. I would encourage you to take advantage of a complimentary one-on-one consultation at our home office on Allison Lane, 2213 Allison Lane, just next to the side entrance of Jeffersonville High School. And again, I'm sorry we missed you last night, but we did want to reach out and extend this offer for those that didn't feel comfortable in that group setting, and maybe you're not even comfortable coming into the office. We can set up a phone conference or a Zoom meeting or a simple conference call. So I look forward to seeing you soon, and God bless you.